This is the worst job ever. Really not going to be fun. Oh, mate, just a mess of wires.
This wood looks super stupid.
I want to go home. I'm hungry.
Was that me?
Morning everyone, we're here in Peterborough working on an old mill house. Reuben's half asleep, he moved house on the weekend. Looks like I'm going to have to carry him today. Nothing changed. So basically we've got a zappy going on in this little out garage. We're going to stick it here on the outside face just so when they're driving in they don't hit it. The walls are sort of all old stone, so we're just going to have to sort of maybe stick a laser and get it the best we can, but I think I'm going to maybe drill through the corner, save it cutting round, or save chopping a brick. I think it would be nicer to just drill through, come up, and then yeah, I think we'll take it down to the corner. And if you follow me around here, down on this corner, I think we'll pop out the garage and then chop a bit out there. We might have to come back and refill that later on, and then I think we're literally just going to clip it low level all the way to the house, and then yeah, when we get to that bit I'll show you in there. I bought one of my old impact drivers along for Reuben to use.
Oh yeah.
Every time I turn around, my impact driver's gone.
You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it.
Don't
Thank
leave
you
it in
very
the van.
much.
Get the rest of your tools. Get the holes drilled through ready. Maybe get the charger mounted, and then at least we can sort of run the cable and drink our coffee.
Let's do it.
Just a little tip, it might help someone. When I drill a pilot hole, I usually just take the pilot bit out and I stick it on the floor below the angle that I've drilled it, just so when I get the next bigger size, I can make sure my drill's following that pilot bit and not drilling a new hole at a different angle. It's just like it's small, but it definitely helps.
This wood looks super stupid because this like defeats the purpose of the whole idea.
Yeah, like from doing that you ain't got it going around. That's quite nice. Might just have to chip that bit out so it sits nice. Where's the two dots?
Just there.
Is that the top one?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe do it on this brick line then as the top.
Mm-hmm.
Do you reckon that looks alright?
Yeah.
They should have like a metal template with a little plate that sticks out that you can put your level on.
Yeah. Hypervolt, do you?
P.S.
I think it's a really good idea.
I've still got to carpet it. It's going to look sick.
I think it's a really good idea though. Corey, if you're watching it, get one of these tables so that I can sit on it, obviously.
This is a thick old stone wall. Might have to get Reuben on the drill. I think I'm going to shoot down to the B&Q or somewhere. Get some blades to cut out that path. I'll leave Reuben doing some B-roll clipping. He's really good at that.
Was cutting the cable in half with the hacksaw, and as I cut it, I went for one last saw and I just caught my finger on the wiring. Not too bad, but electrical tape.
So I turned up today with a brand new spade because I thought I was digging a trench in grass, and I've turned up and it's solid concrete. I've already gone through 2 blades that I just bought, so I think I'm just going to have to keep chipping away, get Reuben to finish it while I do something. Just try and come as prepared as you can, because obviously I've come thinking I'm doing something different, and yeah, I should have probably just done a catenary wire across now, but I've started, so I just have to march on. Basically I want to pull them up so I can get the cable just when it's there, at least it's under there, and then just go up and try get through here somehow. Pretty sure that's solid behind that boxing. Oh, I don't know, looks like there's a bit of a hole up there. Actually, yeah, look, you've got a big armoured up here. If I can get through with that, I might be able to fish through, and that is really not going to be fun connecting into that board. Oh, is that a loft? I wonder if I could just get up there and pull it through. Maybe, maybe not. It's like there, isn't it? If I can drill through somehow without catching any cables, I might be able to rod through to that.
Get angry and break the mug. Don't know what you're talking about, mate.
Oh, look.
Oh, what the hell? Was that me?
Unless the cat done it.
Last time I touched my cup, it was on the table.
Oh, maybe a cat.
Oh, maybe you broke it, Lee.
Oh, look,
What made you so
I'll go
angry?
to B&Q and come back and now there's a broken mug. And
Just gonna take this socket off and put a waterproof one on because, I mean, it's already kind of mashed up, and even though it's undercover, kind of needs to be IP rated. I've just peeled that tape off, and it's literally taken half the socket with it. This definitely needs to be changed.
one thing I find good with the car chargers is I usually just ditch the banjo and the locking nut, and these piranha nuts or earthing nuts I just replace, get rid of them, stick that on the inside instead, and then you can just do one of your lugs with another earth, and then that's earthing the armouring on your armoured cable. Just find it better than bending the tab up and putting a bolt, which you can do if you haven't got these, but I just find if I'm at a wholesaler's, just nice to pick up a few of these, keep them on the van. Just a little bit of a nicer way of doing it, I think. Just to follow up on these piranha nuts, so you've got like a serrated edge and a smooth edge. So the serrated edge, if you're going into like a metal board or something, then you'd stick that against it so it would cut in, make a good connection below the paint. But because it's plastic, there's no point scratching all plastic up, so I'll just flip it round and I'll do the smooth side on the plastic. It's not going to make a difference. So sometimes it's good, obviously don't leave too much slack because EV Ultra ain't cheap, but I usually leave a little bit so then when I cut it I can reuse the cut off earth and do that from my piranha nut as sort of the fly leaf for the armouring. Saves stripping a bit of singles out of the van or T&E or something. At least it's the same size as well then. Oh yeah, there's usually a bag.
Find any
Oh, there's usually a bag with little like Phillips head ones.
Oh.
Probably in the box.
Oh, is it these, Lee?
Mate, these ones are in solid. Yeah, so I want to get these slabs back down just so they can, well, don't trip over it really. So I've got this little sort of wooden lintel here. You got the incoming tails coming through, tiny little bit of trunk in here, an armour's coming through, and inside there's some boxing in and there's not much room, so I need to try and make a hole through for my armoured without obviously damage any of these, so just gonna have to do some measurements and be sure before I drill. Oh yeah, so there's the tails, there's the armoured, but if I can get up into this little loft hatch. Don't know if I really want to open this up too much. Oh mate, I think I might take my chances and drill a hole. Tiny space, but I could do with this one open. I think that's nailed that side. So what's that? I might go above. Okay, that's hitting something. Good start. Should be in there. So I just try to get the cable through. There's a bit of boxing in and the board's in this cupboard. You've got an armoured and the tails going through, but obviously they were probably put in before all this was built. There's a bit of a void above the ceiling, but I'm poking a rod through and I'm just hitting joists and stuff, so I'm just going to keep at it and try from some different angles, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. Yeah, I can't even get my hand up. Oh man, it's like just a mess of wires. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm drilling into. They are the incoming cables. There's incoming cables in there. Oh, there's that armoured cable up there. Alright, okay. I wonder if, actually, if I poke, I've already got a hole. If I poke my rod through, if I'll sit, I can see that armoured cable.
Can't see anything. Like, I think it sounded like it was just there, like that way.
But then you've got them tails darting up. It's just cables everywhere.
Oh wait, is it a white rod?
Yeah. It's the only thing when like so much old building work's been done on top of each other. Tempted to try drill another hole here. Yeah.
I actually can't see it.
If you can't see these rods, I'm going home.
Oh wait, try one more time.
Oh, I can see the light. Yeah, there's a joist right there, isn't there? Damn it. I want to go home, I'm hungry, tired, thirsty. All the batteries are dying. So basically, this is the worst job ever. The whole building's, I don't know, well over 100 years old. It's just really hard to get through. They've built on top of brick and plasterboard, then they've noggined things out. It's everywhere you go, you're just sort of hitting a joist or something. I drilled 2 bricks with the SDS and then it was stuck in the joist. So for the last half hour, I've been battling to get that out, but I've got it out now, so hopefully the cable will go through. Yeah, hopefully something good happens today.
Oh, is that just the rod?
That's just the rod, so if you can grab the cable off the end. Alright, well that's through brick number 1. Now I've got to try to get through.
And joist number 1.
Now I've got to try to get into that. I'm feeling lucky. I've had so much bad luck, I'm feeling lucky. Even if I get the cable through, I don't know how I'm going to like terminate it in the board or anything. Because the thing is, there's a joist there. I guarantee there's a joist about there. Reuben's going skiing. Finally got the cable through. I had to get Reuben to stick his little elbow up there. So we're just going to put all these boards back on, make it look like we weren't here. Alright guys, that's it for today. So we've got the cable running, chargers on the wall. It's in by the fuse board ready to get connected, but I mean that was quite a tricky run today. I think we've done sort of the best we could, but we're going to bring back a bigger drill tomorrow, proper chase out the concrete. Yeah, just finish up, do the testing and go on to the next one.